Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do a freehand and an ombre candy corn nail design. So I'm using white by Creative Play called I Blanked Out, yellow by Sinful Colors called Yellow Yellow, and neon orange by Oily called Melt Your Popsicle. I'm going to apply all three colors onto a clean makeup sponge. Now, I was going to do all ombre on my nails, but now I decided, let me show you two different kinds of candy corn design. I guess, people love candy corn. I don't, but people do. So I wanted to show you two different designs. So I'm doing, as you can see, the ombre, of course, and it took me a while to do it because the neon didn't catch on as well, so I had to keep on doing the ombre to get the color that I wanted, which I liked at the end. Once I was done, I removed the liquid latex and I cleaned around my nails, and then I added a hollow glitter polish on top of my nails. I see a lot of people leave it on its own. I just thought it's supposed to be candy, so I wanted to give it a fun little whimsical, fun look to it. And once I was done with that, I applied a clear top coat just so that it could dry faster. So I painted the background of my other nail with a holo. This holo is by Color Club. It's called Don't Harp on It. And using a thin nail brush, I applied in triangles white nail polish. I didn't use acrylics this time. I just used white nail polish. I wanted to show you like I said, real fun, easy design. And this is not the most perfect looking candy corn, but it's something quick and easy, and you can do it with your nails. You can have any background you want. I just thought adding the holo was pretty cool, but then when I thought about it, I said I should have probably did a black background. I don't know. I thought it would have messed it up, but either way. Once I was done applying the little whites, I'm going to just, with the same colors I showed you before, I'm going to apply just little lines of the yellow and the orange. I'm not really good with nail brushes, so that's why it doesn't look so perfect. That's why I always love my nail stripers, but I love how this came out. I thought it was really cute. It's fun, and you can choose which design you want to do on your nails. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. I hope I made it really easy and simple for you guys to recreate if you want. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.